Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguard Zadie skin in Fortnite. This highly sought-after cosmetic is not purchased with V-Bucks, but rather earned as a free reward. To add it to your locker, you'll need to complete a specific quest line by earning 50 account levels within a special challenge period. It's a fantastic opportunity to get a unique outfit just by playing the game. The Vanguard Zadie set offers more than just the outfit. To get the full collection, you'll need to reach different account level milestones. The main Vanguard Zadie outfit is yours after earning 50 account levels. But before that, you can unlock Zadie's Blade Pickaxe by reaching 15 account levels, and the stylish Zadie's Blade Back Bling becomes available once you hit 30 account levels. Aim for all three. Earning those account levels efficiently is key to getting your new skin quickly. Focus on completing your daily and weekly quests, as these provide substantial experience points. Playing different game modes, such as Battle Royale and Zero Build, will also contribute to your progress. Don't forget to tackle any available story quests and milestone challenges, as these are excellent sources of additional experience to help you level up fast. To begin your journey for the Vanguard Zadie skin, simply log into Fortnite during the designated quest event period. Once unlocked, the skin offers an exciting feature: selectable styles that reflect your highest achieved rank in competitive modes. Whether you've reached bronze, silver, gold, or even the prestigious Unreal rank, your Vanguard Zadie outfit can proudly display your accomplishment with a unique emblem. Make sure to log in and start earning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.